I want to share with you a secret, hiding in plain sight, that most people don't know. This secret is contained within us, outside of us, and wherever we look. Spiritual teachers have talked about it since the dawn of time. Through the studies of quantum physics, scientists have discovered and confirmed it. Various religions from around the world have believed in it since their beginnings. In realizing what the secret is, you'll discover how to not only control how you feel on a regular basis, but you'll be able to move towards the things you want in life, effortlessly. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned till the end to discover the secret contained within all of us. Remember this: everything is made up of energy. Our bodies, the earth, our galaxy, even our thoughts, are all made up of this invisible substance. If you took a high enough powered microscope and zoomed in on literally anything you can think of, you'd see the same molecules of energy vibrating at an extremely fast rate of motion. But this isn't the secret you're looking for. In a world of increasing distractions, the ability to focus is quickly becoming rarer and rarer, while also becoming more and more valuable. When we can satisfy our needs almost at the click of a button, focusing for long periods of time has almost become a niche skill. Yet it has so many benefits. Those who are able to focus for long periods of time are able to get far more done in a day when compared to someone who cannot. But this is not its only benefit. There are two types of focus that we can operate in: general and directed focus. Most people operate in general focus for the majority of their life. This is the type of focus that puts you in constant reaction to whatever comes into your environment, almost like a tiny boat drifting aimlessly in a vast ocean. This type of focus keeps you moving in random directions for most of your life, and ultimately makes you powerless to the things going on outside of yourself and the results you end up with. The second type of focus is called directed focus. Few people even have the ability to operate with this type of focus for a period of time, and even fewer can operate with this for the majority of the time. This is the type of focus that makes you the cause of everything around you, instead of being in constant reaction. In this instance, you may still be the tiny boat, but you're not drifting aimlessly. You know exactly where you're going, and every obstacle that ends up in your path is seen as a challenge to eventually be overcome. People that are able to operate with this type of focus are able to achieve pretty much whatever they want in life, because they're constantly moving towards the object of their focus. People like this know the secret, although it may be a subconscious knowing. When you can direct your focus for a long period of time and act on it, despite the potential obstacles you will face, some part of you has discovered the secret. But what exactly is the secret? Do you remember that everything is made up of energy? From the screen you're viewing this on, to your very own thoughts, listen closely. We as human beings are aware of our own energy. This makes us self-aware, energetic beings. Energy is invisible and formless. Our thoughts are invisible and formless energy molded into form through the images in our minds. When we think, we are literally causing energy to mold into whatever form we desire. This means we have the ability to mold and form energy in our minds. Energy, or thoughts that are continually formed or repeated into our minds over and over again, eventually turn into beliefs, and our beliefs always express themselves in our bodies through our actions, eventually forming into our results. All man-made things were once an invisible and formless substance formed in the mind of an individual who repeated the form of energy over and over again to themselves in their conscious mind until this form internalized itself into their subconscious mind. Once the form of energy internalized, they felt the desire to create it, and even though they didn't know how to do it on a conscious level, they believed they could create it, and eventually did. This is the process of creation, which we as human beings are gifted with, although the majority of the world never even consciously uses it. This process of creation is not possible without the use of directed focus. Focus is what allows you to form and mold your energy. Focus is what allows you to repeat the image over and over again until you internalize it into your subconscious. Focus is the ability that stops you from getting distracted by the constant stream of information moving in and out of your mind on a daily basis. Focus is also the ability that keeps you dead set on bringing about the form of energy you've molded into your very own mind. With directed focus, you can control your emotions, which are just a form of energy, by forming a new image in your mind and impressing it into your subconscious, which must express itself through your body. If you're forming negative images in your mind and internalizing them into your subconscious, all you will get is more negativity expressed through your body. Because our body is just an instrument of our minds, this negative energy must express the energy we're internalizing 100% of the time. What you focus on is what you attract. This is the power of focus and the secret you've all been looking for. Thank you. Make sure to hit that like button and join our family by subscribing for more content, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Until next time, this is Success Mindset, and remember, dreams do come true.